All right, here's the team draw, or the team draw for the football box break coming up. T. Crook, you got the first pick in the draft, I guess. I think it says, yep, Cleveland Browns. You got the Brownies. Next up is Waterboy with Raiders. Next is T. Crook again at the Jimmy Clausens. Panthers. You got the Tony Pikes. Too bad you don't have them next year. You might get Andrew Luck. Searcher Cameron, your team is the Patriots. My least favorite team in the world. Alright. Gino, you're coming up next for your first pick. The Texans. Biggie Smalls. You get the Seahawks. Sorry about that.
Hey, I got 7 hits with the Seahawks.
Yeah, that's true. Rashweed, you got the Jets, Jets.
The Johnny B's.
Yeah, Johnny B will be coming after that one, probably. Sasquatch, Dorbo, you got the Bengals. T. Crook, your third team. You already got the Browns and Panthers. You get the Eagles. Phil, your first pick, or your 4. You got the Chicago Bears. Bobby. I see the New York Football Giants. Bo, for sure, you got the next pick. Alright. The Dolphins. Gino, you're up next. The Niners, San Francisco. Dukins. And Tut, you're on deck. But Dukins gets the Chargers. Tut, let's see who you get. The Titans. Didn't you have them one of the other ones?
I had them in the first break.
You got something though, didn't you? You got like a patch.
Yeah, shitty.
All right, Card Whore. You get Jacksonville Jaguars. My town. That's where I live. About one of my picks coming up next. Come on, something good. All the good teams are still left other than the Browns.
Mm-hmm.
The Saints. I don't mind that.
That means I get Pierre Thomas.
Because like every brand has like a Drew Brees, Reggie Bush, Colston, triple. Everything does that. Tut, you got another one. Kansas City Chiefs. You can get your boy Jamal Charles out of your 08 limited. Rashweed. See who you got. How about them Cowboys? I want to say he had the Cowboys or something else. Might be wrong. Superbike Mike. Give it a good shake for you. And it worked. You got the Rams. It's one of the good ones. Phil. I wonder who Phil is trying to get with 4 picks. Must have a team he likes. You got the Colts, some Peyton Manning stuff. And Phil, you got the next one too.
Hopefully they get some Buccaneers. Where's it at?
Oh, Broncos. That's some TV stuff.
Has Tampa Bay been pulled?
No, not yet. Oh, you probably cursed me. I'm next.
Team All
You're
Star.
probably gonna get me Buck stuff. The Packers.
Hmm.
I saw the B.
Get you Brett Favre.
Yeah. I saw the B and I thought it was the same Buccaneers.
Yeah.
Alright, Water Boy, here you come. We were just talking about them. You got your Tampa Bay Bucks. Phil. Let's see, who's some other teams left? The Arizona Cardinals. The Bills are in there somewhere. Here they come for JP. JP is next. They got this Redskins.
That'd have been good last break.
Yeah, they got a lot of stuff last break.
I think it was
Nothing
about,
really good, but
about 11 hits.
there's Johnny B. I don't think there's really any good teams left, are there? Oh, yeah, this is a good one. Falcons. You can get Matt Ryan stuff out of the 08. Superbike Mike, your second pick. The Vikings. So be Brett Favre stuff.
Yeah.
And was Sidney Rice 08?
He was 07 or 08.
07.
Harvin was 09.
Bobby, you got the Steelers. I think Sidney Rice was 08. He's pretty good. Sasquatch, you're next. I'd probably trade the Packers for the Vikings if I could. Lions for you. That was Dwarbo. Gino. Gino, you got the Ravens.
I want the Ravens.
Ravens. All right, Johnny B, you get the last pick. I'm trying to figure out who's left. You got any idea who it is?
Mm.
No, we got the Raiders.
No, I don't know.
I got no idea either.
Dolphins?
No, I think we drew the Dolphins. Oh, we just said it earlier. The Bills. Yeah, we were saying the Bills hadn't been drawn. All right, that's it. We're gonna have this up pretty soon, and we were talking about maybe we might be able to get the thing done, the break done on Saturday. So we'll keep you updated on when the cards come in, and good luck to everybody, and go start trading, get whoever you want.